Good morning. How did you sleep?
Morning. I slept well, thanks. How about you?
Have you had breakfast yet?
Not yet. I'm planning to make some toast. What about you?
I have a lot of studying to do today.
Me too. I have a big exam coming up.
What's your favorite subject to study?
I really enjoy history and literature. How about you?
I'm more into math and science subjects.
That's interesting. We balance each other out.
Are you free this afternoon?
Yes, I have some free time after my classes. What's up?
Do you want to grab lunch together?
Sure, that sounds great. Where do you want to go?
How about trying that new cafe downtown?
Sounds perfect. Let's meet there at 12:30.
What do you usually do in the evenings?
I usually go for a run or catch up on my favorite TV shows.
I like to unwind by playing video games or reading.
That sounds relaxing. Everyone needs some downtime.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love painting and sketching. It's my creative outlet.
That's cool. I enjoy playing guitar in my free time.
Music is so therapeutic, isn't it?
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I'm meeting up with friends for brunch on Saturday.
Sounds fun. I'm going hiking with some buddies on Sunday.
That sounds like a great way to spend the day.
How's your week been so far?
It's been busy with assignments, but manageable. Yours?
I've been swamped with work too, but it's almost Friday.
Hang in there. The weekend is almost here.
Have you been to that new art exhibit yet?
Not yet, but I've heard it's really good. Want to check it out together?
That sounds like a plan. Let's go this Saturday.
Sounds like a date.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I love experimenting with new recipes. It's like a mini adventure in the kitchen.
I'm not much of a cook, but I make a mean spaghetti.
Spaghetti is a classic. You can't go wrong with that.
How do you usually get to school?
I usually take the bus, but sometimes I ride my bike if the weather's nice.
I prefer walking. It helps me clear my mind before class.
Walking is great for reflection and getting some fresh air.
Do you have any favorite spots to study?
I like studying at the library or in a cozy cafe with good coffee.
I prefer studying in my room where it's quiet and comfortable.
Different environments work for different people, I guess.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Definitely a night owl. I do my best work late at night.
I'm the opposite. I'm most productive in the mornings.
It's funny how our body clocks work differently.
Have you seen that new movie everyone's talking about?
Not yet, but I'm planning to go this weekend. Want to join?
Sure. I've been wanting to see it too. Let's make it a movie night.
Sounds like a plan. Popcorn and all?
How do you like to relax after a long day?
I enjoy taking a hot bath and listening to music.
That sounds so relaxing. I usually unwind by going for a jog.
Exercise is a great way to de-stress too.
Do you have any plans for the summer break?
I'm thinking of taking a road trip with friends. How about you?
I'm considering volunteering abroad or maybe just chilling at the beach.
Both sound like amazing ways to spend the summer.
What's your favorite way to exercise?
I enjoy yoga and pilates. It helps me stay flexible and centered.
I prefer weightlifting. It helps me build strength and stay fit.
It's all about finding what works best for you.
Have you ever tried meditation?
Yes, I practice mindfulness meditation regularly. It helps me stay grounded.
That's cool. I've heard about the benefits of meditation, but haven't tried it yet.
You should give it a shot sometime. It's great for clearing your mind.
Do you have any plans for Halloween?
I'm going to a costume party with friends. How about you?
I'm thinking of watching horror movies and handing out candy to trick-or-treaters.
Sounds like a spooky good time.
Do you have any favorite holiday traditions?
I love baking cookies and decorating the Christmas tree with family.
That sounds cozy. My family and I have a tradition of watching holiday movies together.
It's those little traditions that make the holidays special.
What's your favorite thing about winter?
I love snuggling up by the fireplace with a cup of hot cocoa.
That sounds so cozy. I enjoy winter sports like skiing and snowboarding.
Winter sports are so much fun if you're into that adrenaline rush.
Do you have any favorite outdoor activities?
I enjoy going for hikes and picnics in the park on sunny days.
That sounds lovely. I'm more of a beach person, but I enjoy nature walks too.
It's nice to connect with nature regardless of the setting.
Have you ever tried rock climbing?
Yes, I love the thrill of scaling cliffs and conquering new heights.
That sounds adventurous. I've always wanted to try rock climbing, but haven't yet.
You should give it a try sometime. It's a great workout and a lot of fun.
What's your favorite way to spend a rainy day?
I love curling up with a good book and listening to the rain outside.
That sounds so peaceful. I enjoy watching movies and having a movie marathon.
Rainy days are perfect for binge-watching your favorite films.
Do you have any favorite apps for staying organized?
Yes, I use a productivity app to keep track of my tasks and appointments.
That's smart. I rely on a calendar app to stay organized and manage my schedule.
Technology has made staying organized so much easier, hasn't it?